I'm about to try this KickBallz caffeine gum. This was sent to me so I could try it out. I'm a little bit nervous, caffeine gum, but let me tell you, I could use the extra energy these days. So I really like these little tins that they come in. That's cool. It's a bubblegum flavor. It smells awesome. Here's what they look like. There's 7 balls in each tin. We've got dentist developed, 0 sugar. Fresh breath with a kick, caffeinated gum. They're made in the USA. Chew it, do it. Let's see what else it says on here. It's nut-free, gluten-free, 0 sugar. Serving size is 1 piece, which gets you 5 total calories, 1 carb, 0 sugars, 1 sugar alcohol. Okay, I'm gonna try it. I like the initial crunch it gives you when there's like the crunchy coating outside and then you get the chewy gum. That part was really good. Flavor's awesome so far. The gum texture is good. It's not sticking to my teeth. Okay, 110 milligrams of caffeine per ball. Obviously, caffeine's gonna hit everybody differently, so it doesn't really matter how it affects me when it comes to other people, but I will tell you, this gum's delicious. It's really holding its flavor, and the texture, again, is really good. It's refreshing, even though it's the bubblegum flavor. It's very refreshing. It's easy to chew, so it's not like hurting my jaw, which I definitely have that problem lately too. So overall, flavor, texture, like the whole mouth feeling, I'm gonna give this an A+. And I also like these little tins. Since it does have caffeine, keep it away from children. And if you're like a chain gum chewer like I am, like just piece after piece, not this. Don't do this because it has actual caffeine. So, but the flavor is lasting a long time. Yeah, I think it's delicious. I love the bubblegum flavor, and this is a good bubblegum flavor. So I really like it.